Welcome to part 2 of my spring cleaning series. So today in day 2 or part 2 of the spring cleaning series, we are going to be dusting everything, okay? In this little series, this little mini series that I am doing, you can take it task by task. I think I have in total 9 tasks. You can take it day by day. If you are an overachiever and you want to do all of them over one day or over a whole entire weekend, you definitely can. I did create a little spring cleaning checklist on my Etsy shop. A few of you have purchased it so far, so thank you so much for the support on that. I hope you guys are enjoying it. And it's just nice to kind of have, if you want to refer to it every spring, you definitely can. It's great for that. Also, if you maybe want to gift it to somebody, put it on somebody's kitchen and make a little gift for them, and just like have that like little kind of reminder of, hey, let's go ahead and have this as a little bit of like motivation. I think that would be really kind of fun, a different kind of fun idea. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. I know cleaning can be overwhelming, so that's why I have broken it down into these really small little easy tasks that you can do just kind of here and there, but by the end of it, your whole home will be cleaned. In today's video, we are going to be doing 2 tasks. That's it. Task number 1, we are going to be dusting. Again, yes, in our last video, if you haven't checked that out, watch that first. We dusted the ceiling for cobwebs. We dusted our light fixtures, we cleaned our light switches, and we dusted and cleaned our doors. In today's video, we are going to be dusting all of our decor. So when I start cleaning as a professional home cleaner, the first thing I do, I obviously start everything from top to bottom, but the first task that I do is I dust, because all of that dust then falls onto the floor and then you're gonna have to clean it up. So that's why I do dusting first. So we're gonna be dusting all of our decor and all of our surfaces. So that includes nightstands, our picture frames, dresser, shelves, the top of our fridge. Have you ever looked at the top of your fridge? I bet you haven't, and I bet it's dusty. We're gonna be dusting all of our decor, again, shelves, everything. Number 2, we are going to be cleaning all of our windows and mirrors. So first and foremost, I have my feather duster and I have my little microfiber extendable duster as well. I will have everything linked below, all of my cleaning products, my Etsy shop, my Etsy listing, everything. And then I also have this little guy as well, which is really nice for like getting into little cracks and crevices within decor. I wanted to mention, because this is a very commonly asked question, and it reminded me because somebody, one of you guys commented and you asked, how do you actually wash your duster? Because that is a great question, and I actually never knew either before I started cleaning homes 5 years ago. So this is a microfiber. This one is as well. You can actually, these are removable. So if you see that, you can just like literally pull it off and put it in the wash. If you have like a feather duster or something that isn't a microfiber duster, you can actually hand wash these in cold water. Obviously don't dry them or stick them in the dryer or whatever, but you can hand wash these. So I also really love a feather duster as well for like picture frames, also for decor and shelves. So it just kind of, you know, it's up to you, whatever you like and prefer. I didn't get started at the top of my fridge. I'll go ahead and roll some clips so you guys can see what the top of the fridge looks like in our home. I don't think I've ever dusted this or cleaned up here, maybe once a few years ago, but it hasn't been touched in honestly years. And as you can see, it's a little disgusting. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning and dusting the whole entire home. Also, if you are new and you haven't subscribed, I am trying to grow my YouTube channel. I would love the support, so please go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. That also helps my channel. And as always, drop me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and I would love to hear from you guys. Okay, I am standing on a chair, but I am taking this duster that I have, and I'm just gonna be swiping and cleaning the whole thing. As you guys saw, I know it's kind of a little bit embarrassing to show that, but it was so dirty up here. So just, I mean, really swiping it. This is gonna make such a big difference. And also, fun fact, I don't know if you guys know, but this is like something when I am promoting my cleaning business. When you have a cleaner home or have your home cleaned regularly, it actually keeps your whole entire family healthier, because you're not constantly breathing in all of that dust and dirt particles and just like everything that's in your home. It actually makes your whole entire family healthier. And honestly, I can say, you know, that's how it is for our family. Like once I started actually regularly cleaning our house, I noticed a huge difference in how often we get sick. Now, while I'm up here, I'm also going to be going over these cabinets that we have up here because these never get dusted either. So just lightly swiping. They're not too bad, but I do see some dust up there. If you have cabinets like this, you can always run your duster up along the top of it as well. And you guys, the thing about cleaning is like, you just have to get started. It's kind of like working out. Like the first thing that you need to do is just like put your shoes on and get out the door. Like that's the hardest part. But once you do it and you're like doing it, it's so much easier. It's the exact same thing for cleaning. Like you just have to start. Just go and pick up your duster and just start like put on a fun playlist, put on some fun upbeat music and just start dusting. And then you'll kind of get a little bit more motivated to do more. That's how it is for me. And I swear, I promise you will find motivation as you go because it's so satisfying when you clean. As I was up dusting the top of the fridge, I looked over and it's nothing that I've really noticed before, but I noticed the top of our microwave actually sticks out from our cabinet just like a few inches. And I looked over and I was like, oh my gosh, there's actually like a lot of dust up there. So let's go ahead and dust that as well. As I'm doing this, I do go room by room. So that's pretty much it for the kitchen. You guys know we've already dusted the trim on the doors, we've dusted the light fixtures and all of that. Before I move to the next room, we do have a little window above our kitchen sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that down quickly before I move on to the next room. The next little section of our home is basically our home little like layout. It goes our kitchen, our dining area, and then over here is our like family room. So obviously you guys saw I just did the kitchen. Next is our little dining area. We don't really have anything in our dining area besides a light fixture, this door, and then our kitchen table. So, and then our slider door that goes outside. So I don't need to dust anything in here, but I do need to clean the door. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. Now for the fun part, we are getting into where a lot of dust accumulates, the family room. We have a cabinet over here that has a lot of decor on it that needs to be dusted. We have a shelf back here, my fireplace over here, and then some pictures up over here. So, and then we do have a couple of windows, but let's go ahead and dust first. If you've been around, you guys know we just recently got this cabinet. So I am gonna go ahead and first dust all of the decor as I take it off, then I'll dust the shelves, and then I'll put everything back on. This is my most favorite piece of decor, by the way. I got this from an Etsy shop years ago. I just love it. It's like this beautiful vessel. And oddly enough, you guys, I just got this cabinet like, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 months ago, and it's already so dusty. So that just shows you truly how much dust just freaking accumulates. It's crazy. But like I said, and I swear by this, if you are like consistently cleaning and dusting your home, you're gonna be like, in general, you are gonna be healthier, your family's gonna be healthier because there's not so much crap floating around. I promise you, you guys will be healthier. Now for the bottom shelf, I am not going to remove everything because this stuff down here, for the most part, is plugged in and I don't want to mess with that. So I'm just gonna go in with my little microfiber duster and go in and actually just dust around everything. Next, we are gonna go ahead and move on to my little shelf that I have over here. Okay, you guys, this shelf is so dusty, it's crazy. I have my little plant. a couple of little stones. We have our little sand from our vacations. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to dust everything else. Again, my mantle, I'll take everything off of my fireplace mantle. I'll dust that. Dust all of your picture frames, as well as I'm gonna be cleaning, spraying with Windex all of the windows. I'm going to be spraying, oh, don't forget to dust your TV. That's something that a lot of people I feel like don't do. I'm going to be cleaning our fireplace. I'll be cleaning our storm door, the glass, and I think that's it, and then we'll go ahead and move upstairs. If you guys have watched my clean with me videos, you guys know we have this little like hallway to the upstairs, and I have these, as you can see, this window right over here, and we have these other windows up here, and then this picture frame. So I need to dust that and then clean some of these windows. I can't reach all of them because, well, I could, but I would need to get a ladder out, and I should do that, but I'm not going to. But what I am gonna do is I'll clean the ones that I can reach. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you do have, actually, you know what I can do? This is amazing. Because my duster retracts and it does, I don't know why I didn't think of this. It literally like extends so much. I can actually, I'll be able to dust the ceilings at least. I won't be able to like spray and clean them, but I can dust them. Okay, this is amazing. And then these like window sills up here. I don't know why I didn't think to use this before. Okay, last but not least now is the upstairs, which is really just the bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, a laundry room. An area that gets really dusty in our bedroom is our dresser, which is right behind me. The TV, under the TV, it's like actually horrendous. I feel like it's constantly dusty. So we are just gonna go ahead and get that taken care of today. We're also going to be doing the nightstands, picture frames, and then I do have a bunch of windows in here that I need to spray and wipe down, but that's pretty much it for this room. Okay, again, you guys know I keep it very minimal as far as decor and everything, so I'm just going to do the same thing quickly, just kind of dust off the picture frames. And then I'm obviously not going to be removing the TV, but I can at least dust the TV. And don't forget to dust behind your TV also. And I don't know if I said it earlier, but I will have my spring cleaning checklist available on Etsy. I will have that linked in my description box below. It is $4.99. So super inexpensive. And like I said before, if you're a little bit of an overachiever and you don't want to wait for my videos to come out, feel free to just go ahead and click on the link below. It'll take you right to my Etsy shop. You can go ahead and download it, and then you can either follow along along with me as my videos come out. Or like I said, if you don't want to wait for my videos to come out and you want to get everything done over a weekend, it's a really nice guide. Again, couple steps every day. It's super simple, and then your whole house will be cleaned from top to bottom. That is where I'm going to end the video for today. I'm going to go ahead and finish dusting our nightstands, the rest of the picture frames that are upstairs, and then I'm going to go ahead and move on to all of my windows and mirrors on the top floor. We don't have too terribly many, but a little bit, so I have to go quickly do that while I have some time today. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I hope that you get a little bit of motivation, maybe some inspiration to clean your home. You guys, a clean, decluttered home is a clean and clear mind. It is my mantra, my motto, my words to live by. I promise. If you just take a few small steps every single day to improve your home, you will improve your life. I promise you. Start today, start right now. Go pick up a duster. Super simple. Dust 1 or 2 things around your house. You will find the motivation and you will feel better. You will feel more inspired, more motivated, and in turn, you will just be happier. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.